guys, what is up? So today we're gonna show you, finally we're gonna reveal the color of the Subaru, the one that we're working all this time. And my boy Danny, he's a little dirty because he went back to work after quarantine, you know.
That work life.
My boy does construction. He's gonna build us a house one of these days.
As you can tell how clean Luis looks.
Yeah, because
he doesn't work.
You know, I like to get myself clean before videos. Anyways, what are you doing over there, bro? You wanna explain?
Not really.
Angel?
Not really.
So, here's the car. Look at that right there. So, this color is... What color is it?
It's a custom color, bro.
What's the name of it?
AGL Magnetic Red.
So, it's AGL Magnetic Red. This thing, put his initials.
That's what we named it.
It's something with red. So, right now, you see it like it's burgundy. But in reality, with the sun and everything, it has pearls and this and that. And it's already dirty now because
I just watched it yesterday.
You watched it yesterday. And
sitting here, so it's like.
Tell me why it's missing a bumper, bro.
The
side skirts.
So?
I thought we were supposed to be done with this thing.
Oh, we were done with it for a little.
And then what happened?
For 2 days.
And then?
And then it decided it wanted to be funny.
How funny?
Tell knock knock jokes.
Oh, that's what's up, bro. What kind of knock knock jokes did it tell you?
They're not good ones.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys. The engine's fucked.
So
we gotta get a new motor. I gotta get a new motor. It's just me.
It's all fun and games. So you have to buy a new motor.
Yeah, bro. Maybe it'll fix itself this way.
There you go. So, you know how we do. We give you guys lessons. We do mistakes so you guys don't do it. And lesson of today is get Hondas.
Yeah, Honda's good.
Yeah, they're reliable.
So come on, say get Hondas.
Tacomas, guys.
Or you want to be like Danny, like a rich boy, you know, you get a Tacoma like that, you know?
For a work truck.
Yeah, for work.
So work truck.
Yeah. Oh, an update on Danny's truck. What happened today, Danny? You want to let us know?
I realized I had a big ass dent on my door.
Yeah.
It is new.
When I find those people going down.
Yeah.
You're never gonna find them.
Yeah. Are you gonna fix it?
Angel's gonna fix it.
Hey, you know, a great man just once told me something in life, bro. Nothing in life is free.
Hey, bro, that could be like 500, 1,000 towards your engine, bro. Yeah, I say you should do it.
6,000.
No, I already paid up when staying at 3 in the morning, helping take out the engine, put it back in.
Actually, that was a choice.
That was not a choice.
Hey, we told you we were gonna pay you when we make it.
But once the YouTube money comes in, bro, those fat checks are going all the way around. But yeah, guys, this is it. It looked good on the street for a couple days.
Yeah.
When it was out.
Honestly though, not gonna lie, it was riding really, really low. We literally drove it one time. We had to put everything back together, bumpers, side skirts.
It was running good. So basically what happened is it was complete. Bumper was on, like everything was buttoned up, and then I took it down to Subaru to go get an alignment, and then they weren't able to get to it, so that way, like, the alignment wasn't that bad, you know. So I was like, oh, I can still drive it around. So we drove it all like on a weekend. It was me, Luis, and Julio.
It was pretty much just from here to the drive, an hour drive, pretty much to our local Subaru.
Yeah, and then we drove it around for a little bit, you know, cruised it one day.
It worked fine.
Yeah, it was the whole day.
It drove normal and everything.
The whole day.
We did get a check engine light, but it was still running, and we did fix it pretty much that morning.
Yeah, because
we found out what it was.
It was the sensor, so I switched out the sensor, and then codes cleared. And then
it just needed alignment.
Yeah, and then I changed the oil that morning too, and everything was good. Checked the oil levels and everything. Everywhere I stopped at, there was no puddles. Oil was every single time I checked the oil.
Angel actually was being super careful.
Yeah, I
checking it and everything.
Yeah, the bad thing is I never really got on it. I never really.
We honestly never pushed it to the limit. Because of the alignment, honestly. Even now we could have like ripped it and everything.
I think like the maximum was like 85. That's it, not even pushing it.
And yeah, even without ripping it,
it still broke down.
It broke down?
So guys, let this be a lesson.
Yeah, but
this is my second Subaru that I bought that took a shit. The first one I owned it for like 4 or 5 months, and then the turbo went out
and caused it to fuck up the engine, right?
And the engine fucked up.
Yeah.
So yeah, this one, what I'm thinking is maybe maybe there was still like a bunch of acid in, or like, cause you know, like stuff inside the engine. Basically.
You guys did see the front end hit, so
like the battery blew up and then it
the
was
battery
inside.
acid was probably got it in.
It was inside, or maybe there was so much dirt collected because of the acid, like in the hole.
We honestly still do not really know.
I gotta take it out and
yeah.
tear it apart.
But the good news is we have another one coming.
The other one's coming.
Yeah.
The bad news is I gotta do it all over again.
Yeah. It costed a pretty penny, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty decent.
Yeah.
But
my boy's gonna use his muscles right there, right? Oh shit! Look at his arms. Look at the tan lines, bro.
Yeah. Look.
Yeah. Oh, dude, quit flexing, bro.
Not flexing.
Yeah, dude. Get
But the lesson learned is Toyota's the best.
Or Hondas.
yeah, our Honda. My Honda, 330,000 miles, no problems. This has been
that right there.
I didn't, guys. Don't tell anybody this, but I didn't change the oil in a year. Nothing. It just got its first oil change like a month, 2 months ago. A month ago.
Hey, it still works though, right?
Hey guys, it's running perfect.
Hey, perfect. No problems at all.
This thing, I rebuilt it, the whole inside. Like I took everything apart, put new gaskets in it, cleaned everything good, and look what it did to me.
RP.
Fucking piece of shit, bro.
But anyways, guys,
there's just a little update video, basically, like.
Hey, this is pretty much gonna tell you guys we still got more videos for this because we still gotta fix it.
More content on this, guys. Don't worry.
Not because we want to, but
yeah, it's not a choice.
Yeah.
I wish it was a choice, but it's not, guys. So.
But yeah, guys, I think that's it for the day. You know, that thing, RP, that thing got a dent.
The Hondas are still running.
Hondas are running good though, and I already some parts of the Honda, so hey.
Luis is gonna get to you guys.
Yeah.
Content on the little Honda over there.
On the little white one over there, you know, good and reliable.
Yeah, good and reliable. The stand still Luis is coming to clutch.
Yeah.
He should probably change the oil on that.
Yeah, I haven't changed the oil yet.
Some maintenance.
I'm still wanna do the cool little parts first before changing the oil. Anyways, guys, I think
that's basically it for today, guys. It's just
that's it for today.
An update video.
That's the update video. This is not the reveal we wanted to. We'll get a
better reveal once
a
it's
nicer, cooler video.
Once
Hopefully our boy Danny in the back makes a nice video for us. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. You guys are gonna see us
and like
working on this for a while. So
yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe, guys, if you want to see more of this. This piece of shit.
And follow the IGs.
Yeah,
Dun, dun, dun.
down below.
Yep. So, what's up?
We'll see you guys next time.